Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can integrate OptinMonster with your WordPress and Sendgrid. Because Sendgrid is not officially supported, I want to show you how I do it through Zapier and how you can start collecting emails on your website. So let's start. I have a blog post where I want to offer some content that people can download by entering their email. And so what I do is I come into OptinMonster. Luckily, I already have an inline format that I want to duplicate. If you don't have one, just create one. So here I'm just going to show you how to duplicate one, and I'll call it WordPress category. Okay, so if you don't have a existing one, you can just choose a template. Make sure you choose inline. So here let's say I created a new inline one. I relabel it. So this one is called WordPress category, and then you can click on opt-in, and then here I have something like you're one step away and you have your success. Once you set all that, you save it. All right, that's part one. There's display rules, but what you really want to get into is integrations. And so when OptinMonster collects an email, where does that email get sent to? How does it get to Sendgrid? Well, we need to send it to Zapier, and then Zapier will send it back to Sendgrid because you can't directly send it into Sendgrid. So what we do here is I already have a bunch of templates set up, so I'm going to duplicate again. If you don't have one, don't worry, just start a new Zap and choose OptinMonster and Sendgrid. Here I click and I continue. I give it a name, WordPress. Okay, so OptinMonster now knows the campaign that I did, which is the WordPress category campaign. Is going to get sent to Zapier, and now once it gets it, it needs to send it to Sendgrid. And so in order to do that, I want to go into Sendgrid. And I want to go to marketing, contacts. I want to create a new email list. And I'll call this WordPress category. All right, so I've created my WordPress category. Now what's important is that if you go to click inside, you'll get a URL. Copy this number at the very end. That's the ID for your email list. So I'm going to continue. Now we're into the Sendgrid mode. List ID basically is where do you want the emails to go, right? If people click on that site and they download the PDF or whatever you're offering, the emails will go to this list in your Sendgrid. And I just copied the ID. All right, so I've set up the Zapier. It's gonna take the email and send it to Sendgrid. And now I'll go back here. So you need to create a new Zapier integration. I already have one, so I just need to choose the one I just created, which is WordPress. Now it's not showing, so I need to refresh. There you go. Okay, so WordPress Zapier is the integration, right? Now it knows how to link it all together. And then I hit publish and save. Now that's not it. It's only linking it all up in the background, but it's not showing up on my website. So what can you do with that? Well, you need to install the OptinMonster plugin. Come in here in your WordPress site, and then go to campaigns. Look for the thing you just created. Okay, and again, if you want to set it to publish, output settings, and here you're going to see this OptinMonster code, and you can only see this within the WordPress site. It's not somehow available on the OptinMonster site. It took me a while to get. Copy this and then just paste it in, and it's a shortcode. Then let's test it out. Alright, so I have it here. I'll scroll down, see it at work. There you go. This is the OptinMonster plugin. I click on this. Yes, I need it. I enter my email. And boom. And then let's go back. Let's check it. Here's my, so we go back in our Sendgrid, check our email list, and there you have it. My email is correctly input in there. And so I hope this helped you connect OptinMonster with your Sendgrid and integrate with your WordPress site. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.